Hello guys, hope you guys are well. Sorry, I know, please pardon my life. I am really sorry guys. I know I've been gone on YouTube for a while now. It's not like there's like a bad thing that happened. Nothing bad happened except of the fact that I was sick, but the Lord is my strength. I'm good, I'm healthy now. I just had to take a time out to like get well, get myself back, be strong, so that I can be able to like sit down and film something. Do you understand what I'm saying? If you follow me on Instagram, you already know. I've been so busy with life. After I was sick, I had to like do some resting, then trying to get myself back to filming and all that. So if you follow me on Instagram, you already know all this. So I'm feeling better now. So if you are not following me on Instagram, please follow me. That is where you can find me most of the time. So as I was saying, I'm feeling better now. I'm good. We are getting back to things. Merry Christmas everyone. I know it's the month of December. I can't wait for 2018 to be over. I'm over this year already. Like right now I'm having like 2019 mood already. So 2018 need to go. Alright guys, so today's video I'm just going to be reviewing the Huda Beauty Powder Bullet lipstick. Like this, Huda Beauty came out with new lipstick. Is in Terry shade. Terry shade looks like this. Terry shade of the lipstick. As you can see, they have glitter on them. So this is how it look. I'm going to do a lip swatch of this Terry, and at the end of the video I'm going to tell you how I feel about it. So if you want to see the review of this, stay tuned for this video guys. Guys, that was the lip swatch of the Terry shades, and let me talk about the formula and if I like this or not. To be frank, as I said with you, the formula is very creamy. It's not matte. It's a very creamy, very creamy lipstick, and is metallic, like metallic with glitter, not just metallic, is with glitter. There are glitter like all over the lips. This one shade I like the shade Cake Day. I love the shade. It reminds me of Candy Yum Yum by MAC, if that makes any sense. So I really like the shade. I don't just like the fact that there is glitter. I'm not a fan of the glitter lip. I love like a little bit of metallic lip gloss. Like I don't just like this one. Is very comfortable on the lip, but I must say I don't like this brown shade. I don't like this one. I don't like the other two shades. I'm serious. I'm just being frank with you. I could have loved them if there were no glitter on them. That is just the facts. I'm not a fan of glitter lipstick. I'm not a fan of it. I have metallic lipstick. I rarely wear them except if I want to like apply a little bit at the center of my lip. Yeah, I like shimmer lip gloss a bit, not every time, but metallic lipstick, glitter lipstick, it's not my style. It's not that the lipstick is not good. The quality very creamy, not drying. The problem I have with them is that when you pat your lip, like that, it transfers, like as you can see right here now. When you pat your lip, the glitter just divide. So I don't think it's good for you to pat your lip. So you apply on top and you apply below. Don't pat your lip. Don't pat your lip if you want the glitter effect. I actually understand where they are going with, because it's holiday season, people like glitter and all that. If you like a glitter lipstick, you are going to love this. This look cute. This is very beautiful. The shade cake day. I love the shade. I just love the shade, but I don't just like the fact that my lip is shiny. Like, you understand? It's not like it's glossy, it's glitter. So it's in your face. And it does not go with this look. But if you want to see the tutorial of this look, let me know at the comment section. I will upload it. Back to the lipstick. No, I don't just like the fact that it's metallic or is glitter lipstick. Oh, but I love the fact that it's creamy. It's so creamy. The pigmentation is really nice. My final review is that I don't like it for my personal reason, because I don't wear shimmer, I don't wear metallic or glitter lipstick. Is that when you're applying it, don't pat your lip. Don't pat because of the glitter. If you pat, it's going to go to the top. If you pat the top, it's going to move around. So it's better not to pat your lip. That is it. I'm still like trying to get back into filming and all that. Please bear with me. I might sound cranky. I might not be myself, because I've been off the camera for a long time, guys. Please, let me just have a day of not being me. Anyway, guys, hope you guys are good. I miss you guys. It's good to be back. Alright, guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. Remember what I always say: be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, and do you always, and remember blessed. Bye, guys. Hey guys, I just had to add this clip to this video because this lipstick is very difficult to remove. I just have to tell you the final, like, the routine of me removing this. I've used wipe, I've used lip gloss. It's staying your lip. It's refusing to leave my lip. So, what I'm trying to say is that it's going to be long wearing, but difficult to remove. Difficult for a creamy lipstick. I was not expecting it to be like this. It just is. Some matte lipstick do this. Some matte lipstick, when you're cleaning it off, you just clean off. Some matte lipstick like stain your lip. For a creamy lipstick, I don't know how to get this off my lip. I've tried to use oil. Lip. It's still there. Oh, but it's fading away, so I have to do this routine like another like 5 or 10 times.